So now let's move to the question number 9 now. In question number 9, we have to find the area of the triangle with vertices given below. Find the area of triangle with vertices A as 1, 1, 2, comma B 2, 3, 5 and C 1, 5, 5. Okay, so we have to make a triangle ABC having the vertices as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 1, 5, 5. Now, in order to get the area of the triangle whose vertices are given, we have a formula that the area of triangle ABC equal to half AB cross AC. This point A is common, AB cross AC. Okay, so now we will have to get the value of AB vector. AB vector कैसे पता करेंगे? So A vector is AB vector equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. So directly we can write position vector of B minus position vector of A. B is having the coordinates 2, 3, 5. So its position vector will be 2i cap plus 3j cap minus plus 5k cap. So position vector of B will become 2i cap, I cap, 3j cap plus 5k cap minus position vector of A, that will be I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So it will become 2 minus 1, 1, I cap, 3 minus 1, that is 2j cap, 5 minus 2, that is 3k cap. So this is AB vector. The same way we will get the value of AC vector. So AC vector equal to position vector of point C minus position vector of point A. Now C is this point. It may be written as I plus 5j plus 5k in vector terms minus position vector of A. A is the point having coordinate this. So its position vector may be written as I plus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay. Now simplify it. 1 minus 1 0, 0 I cap, 5 minus 1 that's 4j cap, 5 minus 2 that is equal to 3k cap. So this is AC vector. Now we have to get the cross product of AB and AC. So simply you can get it. Okay. So AB cross AC. AB cross AC equal to I cap, j cap, k cap, and the first element AB, the scalars 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3, and in AC vector the scalars are 0, 4, 3. You know it very well how to get the cross product of two vectors. I have done the same way, and now simplify it. So you will get I cap 2, 3 are 6 minus 4, 3 are 12 minus j cap 1, 3 are 3 minus 0, 3, 3 plus k cap 1 into 4 that is equal to 4 minus 2 into 0, 0. So that is equal to minus 6 I cap minus j 3j, okay, and plus 4 k cap. This is the value of AB vector cross AC vector. Now we have to find the magnitude of this. The magnitude of AB cross AC will become the squares, sum of the squares of the scalar components. So 6 square that is 36 plus 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. How much? 36 plus 25, it is 61, root 61. Okay. So area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 magnitude AB cross AC implies that its area will become 1 by root 261 unit square. So it is a simple question, and question number 10 is for you. You have to find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. So you can imagine the adjacent sides as the vectors A vector and B vector, and simply you have to get the value of the magnitude of A cross B vectors. A vector cross B vector, and its magnitude will be taken. That will be the area of parallelogram. You know the relation, area of parallelogram equal to magnitude of A cross B, where A and B are adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So I am leaving question number 10 to you. And in question number 11, the vectors A and B such that magnitude of A is given, B is given, and A cross B is a unit vector. Okay, so it is also simple, and I think that you can solve. Okay, so let me try the question number 11. Question number 11. In question number 11, the vectors A vector and B vectors magnitude is given. Magnitude of A vector is 3. Magnitude of B vector is given to be 2 by 3. Okay, and root 2 by 3. And A vector cross B vector is a unit vector. It is given, it is a unit vector. Then the angle between A vector and B vector. Angle between A vector and B vector, we have to find it. Okay, so this is the question. So A cross B is a unit vector, so it means the magnitude of A cross B must be equal to 1. Okay, now A cross B is A vector, A cross B vector equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta n cap. Okay, then the magnitude of A cross B will be given by magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta. Okay, now its value is 1. So 1 equal to magnitude of A, that is given to be 3, magnitude of B, that is given to be root 2 by 3, and it is sin theta. So 3 will be cancelled and you will have sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. This implies theta equal to pi by 4. Okay, so it is done. Now the question number 12 is for you. Area of the rectangle having vertices A, B, C, D, position vectors. Position vector in the same question. In the triangle, the 3 points were given A, B, C. Then we got the value of A cross B and AB cross AC. The same way here 4 points are given. So using these points we will get the value. Suppose the 4 points are A, B, C, D. Then we will get the value of AB, we will get the value of AD, then we will get the magnitude of AB vector cross AD vector, and that will be the area of the rectangle. So I think you may try it. Okay, so this way I have completed the exercise 10.4, that was the last exercise of vector algebra. So the whole exercises, exercise 10.1 to 10.4 have been solved, and I think you understood. And now we will solve the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter, and it will be soon available in YouTube videos. Okay, thank you.